Why? Because Sir Francis Drake pirated Spanish treasure ships. Why? Because Sir Francis Drake pirated Spanish treasure ships. Why? Because Sir Francis Drake pirated Spanish treasure ships. Why? Because Sir Francis Drake pirated Spanish treasure ships in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It got so bad that King Philip II of Spain offered a $6.5 million reward to have Sir Francis Drake killed. Anyone who killed him would get this ransom money. It was that serious. Sir Francis Drake led an English expedition that was the second to circumnavigate or travel around the earth. Unlike Magellan, however, Drake survived the voyage, and that was his crowning achievement. When he gets back, he is knighted by the monarchs in England, and Queen Elizabeth I, the daughter of King Henry VIII, names Drake the vice admiral in a war with the Spanish Armada, a war that the English were victorious. A war in which the English were victorious. Here is the route that Sir Francis Drake takes when he circumnavigates. He starts in England, and his route is very similar to Magellan's. He goes around South America, travels and hugs the western coast of North America before going around the Pacific Ocean, hitting Southeast Asia, going into the Indian Ocean, around Africa, and back to England. From England to France, and France's most important explorer is Jacques Cartier. Here he is, looking out into the distance, stroking his beard, and he is important because he claims Canada for France. In doing so, he is the first European to travel inland in North America. He doesn't just hug the coast, he travels to the interior. He maps the St. Lawrence River in Canada, and he is a master captain and sea decision maker. Why? Because he makes 3 voyages without losing a single ship. And here you see his route. Let's look a little closer at where Cartier explores. So this is the northeast corner of North America. This is the state of Maine, and everything north is Canada. So Cartier explores the Gulf of St. Lawrence. He then goes down the St. Lawrence River and claims land which is now Quebec City and Montreal, 2 important cities in Canada. And both of these cities have residents who speak French. Why? French. Why? Because Cartier was French. All right, we are almost done with lesson 1 of unit 3. Please fill out those summary questions. And a preview. Next lesson, we will be talking about the Columbian Exchange.